Hey, sneekylinux back tonight again. We're back with Macpup 511 again. Now I've been asked to do this by request, how to install to a hard drive. Now I've done it loads of times before, but I'm going to do it one more time. You see, I keep saying it one more time. First you need to partition your disk. Now as you can see I'm using VirtualBox here to do it, because it's just a little bit better and easier to show you. But I've got a little 4 gig disk. Now I've made 1 gig swap, and I've got 3 gig as my primary partition. So if you know you don't use gparted, no problem. But say you don't. Well, what you want to do here, basically, if we right-click it, we're going to format that to ext3, just to show you how it works. And you apply again, and it does its little business, it does its work, and all your partitions will be lovely and ready to rock and roll with. There you go, see what I mean? All done. Now if you've got an empty disk, you just make the partitions. It's really, really easy. If you can't do it, I'll do another video on it. So anyway, what we want to do next is not go down to the wizard, not go down to anything down there. You go down to the menu, but I'm going to access the menu from here. We want to go down to Setup, and we'll roll on down slowly down to the Puppy Universal Installer. So it's really easy. You've seen it before. It's the same as if you're doing a flash drive or anything else. But this time we're going to choose IDE or SATA drive. So it's recognised my little drive. I've got a little 4 gig one I've made. We wait a little while and it starts to come up. Now this process can take anywhere between 5 minutes and 30 minutes. So anyway, it's found my SDA one. That's my primary partition. Do I want to do it? Of course I do. So we click OK. Now make sure you've got the CD in the drive, because it has to be in the drive because it needs some files. So you click OK and OK again. Now this can be the long bit. The long, slow, boring bit, but this one's a bit fast. So I'm doing a full install, not a frugal. Always do a full me. I like the fulls because I just want to use it, man. You know what I mean? I just want to do it. So anyway, this is a long bit. This bit can take like 5-10 minutes. So I've edited the video. If you look at the clock, you'll see how long the actual video took. If you take it from when I started to when I finished. Now this bit on something can take a long time. Now it's changed again, as you can see. It's doing the update scripts. That took another 4 or 5 minutes. I've edited the video to adjust to that. But if you just wait and wait, everything will be done, no problem. Just wait. You must have a bit of patience. If you don't have patience, it ain't going to work. Now, you will get this come up. Now, I wouldn't really worry about this too much, because you can do the puppy updates, as I've shown you before in other puppy videos. So don't worry about it too much, but if you have to, you can install these dependencies. So it's not a real big problem, is it? But in the day, it isn't really. No, it's not. Really, honest, it's not. So you click OK there. Now next, we've got to wait for the next part of the installation to finish. Now you can wait and wait and wait, and this is it. We want to install Grub. Now you could be sitting there for 10 minutes before this comes up, but on the whole it's a bit quicker. So you want to install Grub, so we've clicked install Grub, so you wait a bit longer. We want to install it, so that's yes for me, so we click on install. OK, don't worry about it. Now just do simple to start with. Once you get a bit easier with it, you can do flashier ones. Click OK for simple and standard. It's working. Where do I want it? SDA1, because that's the partition, our primary partition I made. Click OK. So we click there, you wait a little bit longer again. Grub's working. This bit's quite quick actually. So where do we want to put it? So if you scroll down, the MBR we want to put it. So we go down to MBR, click OK, and we wait for it to do its business. This is the quick bit actually. The other bit was the slow bit. And now you're all done basically. So click OK again. And just wait a little while. Click no because I don't want to rerun it. Right, you're all installed. Basically, all you do is take your disk out, reboot the machine, and you'll be back into Linux. Lovely Macpup. Nice 511. sneekylinux.